How to make and create sports flyer on Canva PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple. Go to canva.com, log into your account and click on create a design. Now search for flyer right here, click on it, it will take you to this page. Now go here and scroll down like this until you find the sport flyer right here. As you can see, click on sports flyer, click see all and choose a template. For example, this one. You can change and edit the text and everything, as you can see. Very easy and fast. And after you finish, go here and click download. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.